Hello students, today we will do class 8 English का पहला chapter of the book Beehive, that is The Fun They Had. The story The Fun They Had is written by Isaac Asimov. This is a short story, it is a science fiction story, and the setting of the story is in the year 2157, like almost 150 years later from now. Okay? So this is a story which tells us that in the year 2157, there will be no human teachers, no books like they are now. There will be computers, computers which educate the children. And all the mutual interaction between teachers and the students will not exist. Like all the system of the schools and human teachers which exist now will not exist in the year 2157. So starting में story की, there are two main characters, Margie and Tommy. These are the two main characters in the story. So basically in the starting, you can see on the screens that we are given a brief of the schools of the future, like how will they be. So there will be learning to computers, there will be virtual classrooms at your home only, there will be robotic teacher, no human teacher will be there, and there will not be any book. All the books will be in your computers, there will be moving e-texts. So all the brief of the schools of the future is given on the screen right in front of you, so that you can see that how the schools of the year 2157 of that era, the era of 2157, the schools of that era, how will they be? They will be totally dependent upon the computer. That is, that computers will play a very major role in educating the children. So in the year 2157, the date is 17 May in the starting of the story. टॉमी जो कि एक 13-year-old बॉय है, उसको अपने घर के एटिक में, एटिक इज़ अ स्मॉल रूम ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द हाउस, उसको अपने घर के एटिक में एक बुक मिलती है. तो वो बुक लाके वो मार्गी को दिखाता है. मार्गी इज़ अ 11-year-old गर्ल. बुक जो है सेंचुरीज पुरानी है, यानी कि बहुत पुरानी बुक्स है, ठीक है. और उसके पेजेस येलो है, बहुत क्रिंकली पेजेस हैं. क्रिंकली मतलब रिंकल पेजेस हैं. यूजली द पेजेस आर वाइट, बट इस बुक के पेजेस येलो थे बिकॉज द बुक वॉज वेरी ओल्ड. सो बोथ टॉमी एंड मार्गी आर वेरी अमेज्ड टू सी दैट द वर्ड्स इन द बुक आर फिक्स्ड ऑन द पेजेस. जो वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं बुक पे वो हिलते नहीं हैं. उनकी स्क्रीन पे जहाँ से वो पढ़ते थे, अब वो तो कंप्यूटर से पढ़ते हैं, तो उनकी स्क्रीन पे वर्ड्स आते हैं, दे कम एंड देन दे गो ऑफ. पर इन द केस ऑफ बुक द वर्ड्स डोंट मूव, द वर्ड्स आर फिक्स्ड देयर. उनके ईयर्स में दे हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप इन एन एरा जहाँ पे एडवांस कंप्यूटर्स और टीवी ही उनकी एजुकेशन का सोर्स थे, और उनको मैकेनिकल टीचर्स पढ़ाते थे. दे वर ब्रॉट अप इन अ एरा जहाँ पे एडवांस कंप्यूटर्स और टीवी से वो पढ़ते थे, और मैकेनिकल टीचर्स उनको उनके घर में ही पढ़ाते थे. देयर वर नो ह्यूमन टीचर्स इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ एजुकेशन. सो मार्गी ने जब बुक देखी तो शी रिकॉल्स दैट वंस हर ग्रैंडफादर हैड टोल्ड हर अबाउट हाउ स्टोरीज वर प्रिंटेड ऑन पेजेस इन द टाइम्स ऑफ हिज ग्रैंडफादर. ग्रैंडफादर के भी ग्रैंडफादर के टाइम पे स्टोरीज़ और जितने भी चैप्टर्स थे उनके स्कूल्स के, वो बुक्स पे प्रिंट होते थे, कंप्यूटर्स पे नहीं. अब टॉमी को बुक वेस्ट लगती है, क्योंकि अनलाइक कंप्यूटर्स दे कैनॉट हैव न्यू वर्ड्स आफ्टर वन हैज़ फिनिश रीडिंग दैम. मार्गी इज़ डिसअपॉइंटेड व्हेन टॉमी टेल्स हर दैट बुक इज़ अबाउट अ स्कूल, बिकॉज शी डिसलाइक स्कूल. मार्गी को स्कूल्स पसंद ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उसका स्कूल का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, उसके लिए स्कूल क्या है. उसके लिए स्कूल है एक टीवी स्क्रीन और एक मशीन जो कि उसको लेसन देती है, जो कि उसको पढ़ाती है. उस टीवी में एक स्पेशल स्लॉट है जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स सबमिट देयर होमवर्क विच इज़ चेक्ड एंड मार्क्ड बाय द मशीन इन नो टाइम. अब आजकल मार्गीज dislike for a school has been intensified क्योंकि उसका मैकेनिकल टीचर हैज़ नॉट बीन फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली. तो इस वजह से मार्गी की मम्मी calls the county inspector to examine the cause behind the error in the mechanical teacher. तो जब काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर आते हैं तो वो मैकेनिकल टीचर को चेक करते हैं और उनको पता चलता है कि क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है उस मैकेनिकल टीचर में कि वो functioning properly. So when the county inspector get to know about the fault in the mechanical teacher, and the fault was that the geography sector was too fast for a small girl like Margie. So he fixed the speed to Margie's level. But Margie was still unhappy because she got her teacher back. She wanted the teacher to, she wanted the county inspector to take away the teacher for some time so that she could be relieved from the tests that troubled her. So now Tommy comes and informs Margie कि जो book उनको मिली थी was not about their kind of school. It was about the schools that existed hundreds of years ago. And those schools were not like theirs. Those schools were special buildings where children used to go and they were taught by humans and not by machines. They were taught by men and women and not by machines. And all the students of the same level or the same class used to sit in one room and they get to be taught there by the same teacher in the same room. So now they discuss about how children used to adjust with the same teacher. Like so many children were taught by only one teacher. So they were talking about how the children used to adjust to that, unlike them, as there was one teacher for one children of one child, and how the teacher used to fulfill the requirements of each and every individual child that was in that room. So now they haven't even read half the book, that when Margie's mother came in the room and remind her that it is time for the school. अब Margie का school room है कहाँ पे? She used to be taught by a mechanical teacher. So her school room is right next to her bedroom. Now ऐसा नहीं कि घर पे ही school है तो she used to study whenever she wanted to. No, she used to study at regular hours because her mother believed that if you study at regular hours, you get to study nicely. It is considered right to study at fixed time every day as per her mother. Now when she goes in the house, in that room, the mechanical teacher is teaching the addition of proper fractions. But Margie is completely lost in her thoughts and she's thinking about the old schools and how the children must have enjoyed going to the school together. Now but she believes that they must have had fun going to the same school, studying the same things and being able to help one another. So basically Margie is much more interested in the schools of old times than the schools of her time. She thinks that children enjoyed the schools of old time. So along with understanding the chapter, understanding the title of the chapter is also very important, because in exams we get questions like justify the title of the story and what do you understand about the title of the story, or is the title of the story apt, and questions like that. So understanding the title is also very important. So the title of the story, The Fun They Had, has been derived from the closing words of the story. As you can see in the book, the last words of the story are the fun they had. So they reflect the opinion of Margie. What Margie thinks of the school of the old times. कि Margie को लगता है कि जो old times के school होते होंगे उन बच्चों को बहुत मज़ा आता होगा. The fun they used to have, the fun those children used to have. तो Margie की सोच ही बताई गई है in the title of the story. Margie's opinion about the old kind of school is reflected in the title of the story, The Fun They Had. And as we know that Margie's concept of school is just a mechanical teacher and a big screen in her own house in a separate room, and that screen displays all her lessons, and that machine is fixed to her level. And Margie personally doesn't like all these customizations in her life, all these advanced level of schools. She imagines how much fun the children of that old times, of that old school, must have had, going to the same school and then studying the same things and being able to help another, being able to talk with another, being able to socialize with one another. So basically, this the fun they had chapter ka title rightly conveys the importance of present day education system when the children have fun during their schooling and also they socialize with the people around them. And how do these socializing really affects the life of a school going children, and how the computers are very boring as a part of education. Along with studying about the title, along with getting to know about the title of the story, getting to know about the message of the story is also very important. So this story conveys the message that education is not merely accumulation of information, यानी कि सिर्फ knowledge gain करना is not education. हम अगर कंप्यूटर से पढ़ते हैं तो इट कैन हेल्प अस इन गेटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन इन अ बेटर वे, पर स्कूल में जाके पढ़ना is much more than just gaining knowledge, just gaining information and acquiring facts. School jana is a life experience where children interact with others. We socialize with each other, they have fun and learn the values of sharing and caring. If we expect future schools to have mechanical teachers fixed to specific needs of every student in books available in only electronic forms, then the children will be deprived from the privileges to study together, grow together, and learn all these values of sharing, caring, and socializing with one another. And they will be unknown to the things that happens in today's world, all the socializing and all the sharing caring values that students of this generation gets. Now this brings us to the end of this video and the end of this chapter 2. Now all the question and answers of the literature companion, of your NCERT books, and all the extra questions we'll discuss in the upcoming videos, which will come very very soon. If you have any queries, any suggestions, any questions to ask, you can ask them in the comment box, or if you want to ask them personally, you can DM us with the link given in the description box of our Instagram ID, that is edhuman6. And I hope you enjoyed the video and learned very well.